Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo stops where the forest trail splits into two similar-looking paths. Both paths stretch forward between tall trees. At first glance, they seem exactly the same. A new word becomes important in this moment. Astute. Astute means quick to notice and understand small details. Choosing the wrong path could waste valuable time. Timo looks closely and notices faint, fresh footprints on one trail. He studies the pattern and sees they lead steadily forward. He follows the marked path with confidence. Timo remembers that being astute means spotting subtle clues others might overlook, and that careful observation helps guide him wisely on every journey ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.